Hey there, English learners. Do you get confused about when to say some, many, much, a lot of, or a few? You're not alone. Today, we'll master quantifiers, those little words that tell us how much or how many. Let's get started. What are quantifiers? Quantifiers are words we use to talk about quantity, how much or how many. Countable nouns, things we can count, apples, books, cars. Many, a few, several, a number of, a lot of. Uncountable nouns, things we can't count, water, money, information. Much, a little, a bit of, a lot of. For example, countable, I have many apples. Uncountable, I have much water. Quick tips to remember. Use many with countable nouns. I have many friends. Use much with uncountable nouns. I don't have much time. Use some and a lot of for both. I have some books. I have some milk. There's a lot of sugar. There are a lot of cookies. A few, for countable positive, and a little, for uncountable positive. I have a few pencils. I have a little money. Let's play a quick quiz. Choose the right quantifier. I don't have much money, correct? There are many students in the class, correct? Would you like some tea, correct? Great job. Now you know how to use some, many, much, and more. Remember, many, countable, much, uncountable, some, both. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and leave a comment using your favorite quantifier. See you next time on My Favorite English Teacher.